Hello class, this is Ms. Montes. Welcome to Online Distance Learning Virtual Class or MHS. So I've been texting you since last week on Remind, letting you know all the assignments that are due, the daily reminders. I have been accepting assignments through the Remind app, through pictures, through email. However, I need to show you how to submit through Google Classroom because that's going to be easier for you, for me, and when I have to input the grades on Skyward. So your assignment that was due last week on Friday was your persuasive essay. If you sent it through picture, through email, I will be grading it and uploading the grades today. So those of you who have not done it, you still have a chance to upload it, but I will be taking some points off, but I will work with you. The essay was writing an essay stating your opinion about what attending school teaches students. You do your 1, 2, 3, you have your hook, you explain, and then your position statement. However, I also need paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and the conclusion. So this was already due last Friday. If you have not submitted, go ahead and submit today. Okay, so then I posted a instructional video to help you with it, to remind you. Now, what is due today? So today these are the questions that are due. So if you click on your classwork, go ahead and click on the 5 types of text structure. So here I have the instructions for you. You can do view assignment. Mine looks a little bit different than yours. I can see who has submitted and who has not. Okay, so here are the instructions. Before this week's reading selection, watch the video on text features and answer the following questions as you are watching the video. So here are the 5 questions. Here are the questions. What type of 5 main structures? What are the 5 main structures of a text? What are some words or phrases you will see in paragraphs that have description? Which type of feature gives you information from oldest to most recent? What is the purpose of cause and effect? Why do authors write the text that introduce a problem? Why is it important to show how things are different or the same? So you would watch the instructional video, okay? So you watch the video. As you're watching the video, you need to be typing your questions, okay? So you have the option of going to Microsoft Word. You can type your responses. So you would put your answer. Okay, and then you would save it like you would a normal file, save it on your documents, and you can upload it directly to here. You would just upload it as a file. If you want to, you can also do the class comments. You can put your assignment answers there. You can email it to me, but this is the easiest way if you submit through here. Okay, let me see. And then this one was a picture for my reading class. They're doing that story, but that does not apply to you guys. Okay, so to submit it, again, you would go to Classroom. You would go to your classwork. I have here the people who belong in the class, the grades as well. Okay, so you're like, what if I still don't know how to submit through Google? Go ahead and look at this post. I added it this morning. How do I submit assignments on Google Classroom? I'm asking you to please watch the video. It's very, very simple. Once you look at the video and the instructions, you'll be able to upload all your assignments through Google Classroom. Okay, then what if ma'am? What if I don't have access to Wi-Fi? Then you need to go to Martin High School and pick up your instructional packet. You will be taking pictures of your completed assignments and emailing them to me or sending them to me through Remind. But if you have Wi-Fi, you need to have your Google Classroom signed up and you need to submit it through here because I will be inputting grades and I will start inputting grades real soon. So if you need more help or assistance, please let me know. Tomorrow we're going to begin with this packet, which I already have posted for you. Okay, so here's the packet. So tomorrow you already have this loaded on your OneDrive. We're going to begin reading the nuclear tourists. So I need everybody to make sure they have done the pre-reading activity that was due today. Thank you, class, and have a great day.